Tony, you must be disappointed because you were in that game for most of it.
Yeah, to say you're disappointed when you're leaving TNS it shows how well the boys have done today. But fine margins, first half we get the goal, and then Conor Roberts makes a great save of Forsey when he's through one-on-one, and then there's another scramble first half. The tackle on Greg Walters where, if he gets through, he's through again. But, we didn't take those chances when they come, and TNS are always in the game. They're the best team in the league. And, we're disappointed with the 2 goals we conceded. It's a set piece and a cross to the back post. The goals that, TNS normally score different type of goals against you. But I can't ask more of the boys. They were fantastic today, and we're disappointed to come away with nothing.
Hwlffordd are a very good team, well organised, got a really strong squad, got a very good manager, and they come and had a go, and possibly, they deserve to be 1-0 up, 100% at the time. A bit of sloppy play from ourselves. We probably should have scored 2 before that, and had a penalty, but we'll move on from that. And look, we knew it was going to be a tough game, and it was a tough game. 9 games unbeaten before today. It's twice now TNS have stopped our runs in the league this season, so it's important that we bounce back as quick as possible. And obviously we've got Ammerford away in the Cup next week, which will be tough, and then Bala the week after. So yeah, we're disappointed, but at the same time we've got to realise how far we've come and how well we've played today, and there's lots of positives to take from today.
You open a gap now with 4 points to Haverfordwest in the third. Is it becoming a 2-horse race?
I don't think you can say that this early on. I think it's really disrespectful to the other teams. You've got a really strong league at this moment in time, and in the other teams, obviously Cardiff Met, are in there. They're obviously Hwlffordd are in there. Pen-y-bont are top at the moment, so second, and with 2 games in hand now, and we'll play Pen-y-bont, next league game. So it's all to play for. It's very, very exciting. A bit too exciting for our liking, but yeah, it's look, it's brilliant. It's good competitive edge.
You stay in third. Is it becoming a 2-horse race?
We just look at ourselves, that's all. We never expected to be in this position. We want to be in this position, but the boys have been brilliant since we came back in pre-season, and all we'll do is one game at a time, see where that takes us. We've equalled the points already that the club's had in the league. It's the highest points they've ever had in Phase 1, and we've still got 6 games left. So we'll keep accumulating points, and hopefully it puts us in the top 6 come the end of January.
Ash, 3 points, but you had to work hard for them.
Yeah, that was a really tough game. Fair play to Haverfordwest. Come here and stuck it on us, and we're just happy to get the 3 points.
And thanks to you, you got the 3 points. Take us through the goal.
Well, we always have a joke with the boys. They always score goals, and me and JD called it early doors. But look, I don't care about the goal. I only care about the 3 points, and that's the main thing.